Hi, I'm Lynette from Club Apple.
3, 2, do you hear me silver anymore?
I am the director of group fitness and have been a cycling instructor for quite a few years. I am excited about a new class that we're starting called Flash Cycle. It is a 30-minute workout and will be perfect for any level or ability, from beginner to advanced or pro, and any age level. Because of the nature of cycling, it is a great way to get a good workout for endurance and strength. And in Flash Cycle, you can get it done in only 30 minutes. These new bikes that we have give so much data and information to help us to see our improvement from day to day. With the addition of a large television screen, you can be immersed in your own virtual ride every time you come. If you're interested, reach out, Lynette at theclubapple.com. I hope to see you soon.